everyone, and welcome to OlaJoe, the Crocheting Sailor. I wanted to come on and show you what I got. Cover story yarn from Lion Brand. So let's go ahead and get right into this nice review. Look at all this beautiful yarn. I mean, it looks very velvety and soft. And it is very soft to the touch. And it is like that I want to make a blankie yarn where it says that one cake can make a blankie. With the cover story yarn, you can make an Afghan with one of these cakes. And let's go into the specs. It's 2.2 pounds, and this is a 1,000 gram cake. It's 547 yards, 500 meters, and it's machine washable and dryable. This is a super bulky 6. And for the knitting needles, it'll be an 8mm, and crochet hook will be a 9mm. And this is my Susan Bates hook, and this is the one, US M13 9mm. The colorways that I did pick, this one is called Astro, and the peach color cake, this one is called Cameo. And look at it. It's just super plushy and soft. And whomever makes a blanket for a baby, I bet they'll love this texture. But look at it. And then I did a little bit of crocheting on this. And it has really, really tight stitches. So I went ahead and I used the Astro color and I made a beautiful basket. Look at the two handles. And underneath, this round is 8 inches in width and the depth is 6.5 inches in height. And it's very cute. And if you notice, there is a lot of yarn left over. So you can do numerous projects with this. You can also do some nice slippers with this, but I wanted to share this with you. I did use the Susan Bates hook, a 9mm. So I just wanted to let you know that this works up quickly. I really enjoyed it. If you want to frog a project, I tried that. And this is what I have left. It came apart very quickly. And again, it's machine washable and dryable. Okay, I went ahead and changed the lighting in the room so you can see the variation of color a little bit better. This right here is very peachy. Very nice. There are 12 colors available. Right now on the Lion Brand website, the mica color is unavailable. It is $39.99 the last time I looked on the Lion Brand website. And I got this yarn at Lion Brand for $24.75. It is also available at Walmart for $24 and some change. And you can also find this at your local JoAnn store, or you can order it online. I hope this review helps you, and have a wonderful and glorious day.